Bitcoin price hits 10-week lows as $40,000 spike becomes nasty bull trap. Bitcoin, BTC, hit its lowest level in over 2 months later on May 5 as Wall Street trading saw volatility return with a bang. BTC/used one-day candle chart, Bitstamp. Source, TradingView. XE celebrates as stocks, crypto tumble. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView painted an unsettling picture for hodlers as BTC/USD fell to $36,520 on Bitstamp, capping losses which totaled 8.3% at one point. Bitcoin only bounced at a price last seen on February 24 this year. As Cointelegraph reported, the performance had come in tandem with mayhem in U.S. markets as equities gave up previous gains to flip bearish on the economic outlook. The Federal Reserve's priced-in rate hikes thus appeared to have been something of a red herring. BTC breaks below 37K after a nasty bull trap yesterday. Good lesson to many who continue to insist on fighting the trend, popular trader Cheds reacted on the day. At the time of writing, BTC/USD traded at around $37,000, having recouped a modest portion of the ground given up in the first 2 hours of the Wall Street session. Comparatively, the Nasdaq 100 was 4.5% down and the S&P 500 3.2%. Even news that blockchain protocol Terra had purchased a giant $1.5 billion of BTC to back its Terra USD stablecoin failed to lift the mood. Can you imagine how disastrous this will be for central bank credibility, trust in the fiat system, if this equity market keeps unwinding in the coming weeks and they need to aggressively reverse policy within a month or two? Trust is already in shambles, podcast host Preston Pish commented as relative stability returned. The action was a boon for the US dollar, meanwhile, as shown in the US dollar index, DXY, reversing earlier losses to retest its highest levels in 20 years. DXY stood at near 104 at the time of writing, up 1.2% on the day. US dollar index, DXY, 1-hour candle chart. Source, TradingView. Bulls feel the pressure most since January. Amid the chaos, previous bullish theories on BTC covering longer timeframes received a major test of their own. Related, more likely BTC price will hit $100,000 before Bitcoin sweeps $30,000 lows, forecast says. Among them was that based on Bitcoin's on-balance volume, OBV. OBV, a cumulative volume measure used to identify buying and selling pressure, has in fact been calling for BTC price upside since the $32,000 lows in January, popular Twitter account Income Sharks claimed earlier on May 5. A series of higher lows since had given the impression that serious downside could be averted based on OBV data. Here a number 39, your hashtag Bitcoin roadmap. OBV has in number 39, T1 gone bearish since January. That in number 39, where it said the bottom was in. We keep making higher highs and higher low. This is an uptrend after a correction. https://d.co/g, CQ9P3CBJT. Income Sharks, at Income Sharks, May 5, 2022. As Cointelegraph reported, however, price targets of $30,000 or lower in the coming months only increased in the past few weeks,